My microwave just tried to end me. I was heating up leftovers, right? Normal day, peaceful vibes. Then suddenly this thing starts sparking like it's trying to
Open a portal to another dimension.
The light inside went full lightning storm. I thought Zeus himself was spawning in my kitchen. I panicked. I opened the door, and it keeps going. Bro, it's still zapping like it's mad, I interrupted. At that point, I'm standing there debating if I should call an electrician or an exorcist. And when it finally stops, it smells like I just committed arson in my house. Like, bro, I didn't sign up for a boss battle when I wanted warm pizza. These appliances are getting too self-aware. Next thing you know, my
Toaster's gonna start talking back.